70% of brand businesses and individuals fail on YouTube because they believe it's all about quality, quantity, and consistency. However, these three factors does not solely rely on YouTube growth and success. It's more about having a right approach and knowledge toward content creation. And this is exactly what we are offering. After working in this industry for past 5 years, I have learned that YouTube is a slow growing platform, but can be incredibly meaningful if you have a right strategies and approach toward content creation and distribution. So if you are a brand or individual who want to start a new channel or grow an existing one, we offer solution to every stage. But before making a decision, I will offer you a free 30-minute consultation call, so we will determine if we are a good fit. My name is Azam Tariq, and I will see you inside.